on this little volcanic island, and it's just, I think it's one of the better spots I've ever seen. Say something to the GoPro.
For the GoPro, I would say we're going to be very pleased today to have you both on board, and especially came from Canada. We have the Kenyan and Australian team here. We're going to see who's going to win today, but it's going to be a win for all of them, especially because we have Aya on board as well.
Yeah, I'm going for my 50,000 kilometer mark today. I have 22 kilometers left. Go out there and send it. So,
like and subscribe. Ring the bell.
There you go. So we're in this magical place somewhere on some island, and the water is flat and things are really nice, and yeah, Bula's gonna perform for us.
second session?
Second session, very cold, freezing. So we are on the Banter Boat and it's really cool. We woke up in the morning and this is what we see outside of the window. There is a kiting spot there with a lot of kites. The water's blue and it's amazing. Very beautiful.
Look how they light that everything off. I'm always saying, hey, they're probably working all for the Egyptian Secret Service, military and whatnot. The Egyptian
KGB, oh!
Special units is here.
Don't tamper with the board. Wow, this spot is just amazing. I've never seen things like this. Look at that. There's like this little island and behind it you can just boost and you have perfect flat water. And look at the view. It's like miles and miles of shallow, flat, beautiful water, blue and crystal clear. Impossible. going on? Oh, you Overbeek. Oh. It's very dangerous. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, well.
I don't know if I'm gonna
Ready?
do it. Oh, yeah. Oh my God! Oh wow. Is he some kind of an athlete? Is he gonna do a backflip?
Yeah, I'm good. Some B-roll of Jamie doing a flip.
Whoa! Going snorkeling, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully there's no sharks. That was the most developed.
Okay, so we are going on a downwinder from I don't know what island to that I don't know what island.
Sharafi Island to Geisum Island.
Okay, whatever he said. Yeah, and then we have the kite legend Jamie Overbeek and Aya. Go interview them.
This is Aya, the kite legend, a Guinness record holder.
Yeah, 50,000 kilometers maybe. And last December I did nearly 5,000 in 30 days on the northeast coast of Brazil. And these guys, Yulin and Yulin, supported me. He's very famous there.
A very good kiter, very good.
He's a very good kiter and very modest.
Yes.
Nicest kid ever.
And he's super stoked about the condition, right?
Very stoked.
There you go. The sea, downwinding with the boat. The boat is playing music. The wind is blowing. It's kind of nice. The water is clear like in a swimming pool. Here, my eyes are burned, my knees are trashed, but it was worth it. The spot looks amazing and the wind is stronger. All right. Shout out to Loic for his awesome advanced coaching, and to our chef for making the best desserts on the planet. And of course Kitesurf365 and Portrait Kite. We had such a blast, guys. Here is some info about Makani Beach Club. Makani Beach Club is nice because you have gym, you have restaurant, and you have internet, and you sit there and wait for wind, and it's really nice. So check this out. See how you have gym here and people are working out? Like right here on the spot. How cool is that? And then here people are chilling and sitting and playing volleyball or pumping their kites or doing things. And here people are eating, which is really nice. And we have some people there. And there's a bar. And there's wind. So overall, it's like a really nice spot to just chill and kite. And it's shallow and a lot of space. And yeah, it's looking like a nice place. Ah, tam Jamie Overbeek. Whoa, look at that. Holy shit, did you see this? Did you? No, no, no!